Are you planning to purchase your dream home? Did you know there are ways to reduce stamp duty land tax? Here are the ways to reduce your SDLT. First up, we have the first-time buyer's relief. If you're buying a single dwelling, which is your first home, and priced under £625,000, you're in luck. No SDLT is charged up to £425,000, and just 5% is charged on the portion from £425,000 to £625,000. Make sure you meet these conditions, and you're on your way to some serious savings. For example, you are a UK resident purchasing a property as a first-time buyer for a price of £600,000. Your stamp duty will be calculated as under 0% on the first £425,000, 5% on the remaining £175,000, amounting to £8,750 total. Invest in Derelict Property. Ever thought of turning a derelict property into a gem? Investing in a derelict property could be a smart move. You get to claim non-residential SDLT rates, which are often cheaper than residential rates. Let's say a UK property developer have purchased the property worth £1.6 million, which was in fact a derelict property. However, he pays the residential rate amounting to £151,250. If he was aware that the derelict property would attract non-residential rate, he could have paid SDLT amounting to £69,500, thereby making a saving of £81,750. This is because we have different SDLT rates for residential and non-residential property. Let's start with residential properties. Let's say a UK resident is buying a buy-to-let property. For properties valued up to £250,000, the SDLT rate is 3%. For the next £675,000, it's 8%. For next £575,000, the portion from £925,001 to £1.5 million. It jumps to 13%. And that remaining portion above £1.5 million, well, that's taxed at a hefty 15%. But if you're investing in a non-residential property, things work a bit differently there. For non-residential properties valued up to £150,000, the SDLT rate is 0. But as your property value climbs, so does the tax. The next £100,000 is taxed at 2%. And anything beyond £250,000, well, that's taxed at 5%. Buy low, refurbish, and either sell or live in your transformed property. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to maximizing savings on stamp duty. Stay tuned for more tips.